place. Mud here, Benito Steen's little guest cabin. It's a beautiful little stove here, made out of a propane tank. Little pieces of metal tacked on. Little adjustment down here. Little thing to close it with. Little screws threaded in the sides to hold that piece of steel. And the chimney comes up there. And then there's this plaster back here that holds the heat nicely long after the fire's gone out. Oh, I love this carving. This is carved plaster that's been burnished. That's beautiful. Straw bale walls, nice and thick. Look at that purple plaster, deep purple plaster. Boom, 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 boom. Piece of a jar as a light sconce. Little nicho. It's harder. Clay is way harder. Got these arches up here.
You have this wind coming in the morning and the evening, and depending on what you're doing and where you're projecting.
More nichos. Nice little staircase here. Place to put stuff. Lovely bed up here.
You are not supposed to let that line dry out for at least minimum 5 days. And it does not mean let it dry and then come mist it for 5 days. It does not mean that. It means only once it got wet, screw it. Even misting it will make it worse. You're making it worse. By once it's set and you come and mist it,
you can hear Athena in the background telling us how lime works. This is a lovely workshop and tour. Learning so much.